Hi everyone, we are Nadezhda and Alexey. Let us introduce our project MyProfBio, Research, Analytics and Consulting. We would like to get acquainted you with Max and Anna, who will help us to illustrate problems our project is addressed to. Anna is a 30 years old teacher at the university with 3 years of practical experience. She loved her job, but felt upset about low wages. So she decided to change professional sphere. She was attracted by vacancy training specialist, but she has faced a number of problems. How to apply for this job, what training direction to choose, what skills she lacks. She asked her friends, but they unfortunately were unable to help her. Max's story is different, but not less typical for a young man. He was a graduate of the faculty advertising design, but he was fond of the job, graphic designer. As a university graduate, he was faced with the problem of lack of experience and marketable skills. To compensate for the gaps in education, Max read professional forums, but the lack of unstructured information has created the following issues. Whom could he trust? How to understand all of this information? What should be learned? Data of Federal Service of State Statistics show that Max and Anna are not alone in their problems. Max and Anna are faced with situations of job searching here and now. They develop individual tactics depending on their social characteristics, gender, age, education, economic capital, and so on. These tactics can be successful or not, but it is important that during these tactics form unique biographical experience. For example, Anna and Max could use the experience of their more successful future colleagues. However, this is a problem with the way how to get this knowledge from experience. First of all, information is not structured. Secondly, experience of most people remains unknown with the exception of famous success stories. And thirdly, experience of different people is not accumulated and exists within individual biographies. This knowledge contained in experience can be used by others, but we don't know how to work with it. This is the aim of our project, MyProfBio. To get the information about the experience in professional field, we plan to use the method of biographical interviews. 5 professional spheres will be selected for research based on the statistical data analysis of level of competition in professional fields at the beginning of the fieldwork. And this analysis of collected data will form a basis for creation of online and offline platforms for employees and employers. Gathered information will allow to understand competencies in a chosen field or career and form their own tactics for job searching. Now we describe online and offline levels of our project. On the online level will be presented the results of analysis as analytical publications in the following format. Where should young designer study? What are must-have skills for each analyst? And so on. Articles will be published in the way that is easy for understanding by internet audience, short and focused on one practical topic. Its purpose is to give study results as ready tips for development of individual job searching tactics. For example, Max will be able to find a list of skills he needs to learn, and Anna see opportunities of using teaching experience in another profession. Additional site content, analysis of scientific literature, interviews with heads of organizations and headhunters, video blog and advertising and articles of partners. Offline level will consist of thematic workshops where people could ask questions in real time and discuss their successes and failures. At these events, people will not only examine their own results, our results, but will work together to finalize individual tactics of job searching given the existing competencies and skills. Project effectiveness will be evaluated by the following parameters: data collection and analysis, presentation of results on the online and offline levels, practical help and profit, formation of an affiliate network, self-cover of expenditure. The main items of budget are scheduled as follows: collecting and processing of empirical data, development and promotion of the website, organization of seminars, registration, level entity. Sociological research of the framework of this project will allow obtaining unique data on the professional experience of youth in Russia, results of the analysis published as analytical reports on the project website, and website promotion in the internet and seminars organization. And in the end, a few words about us, our experience and competencies. Thank you for your attention.